Hey, howdy, hey! Welcome to Miss W's Science Lab today. We're going to be doing a science experiment. So, remember, before we can do any sort of dangerous experiments, you need to have your safety glasses. So I've got mine on already. I'll give you a minute to go get yours. And then we're going to gather all of our materials and we'll do our experiment. Okay. Hope you had enough time to get your safety equipment on. Alright, so we're going to see if we can make a penny disappear. What? It's not magic. It's science. We're going to be doing science. Okay, here we go. We need 2 pennies. 1, 2. Got them. We need 2 clear cups. 1, 2. Got them. Alright, and then we need some water. So I have another cup here with some water in it. Alright, so before we start, we need to review what we already know. So, it says what we know is that a pencil looks like it is bent when you put it in a cup of water. Well, we don't know that yet because we have not done that together. So, let's do that right now. Okay, so here we have water. I have a pen. We're going to see what happens when we put it in the water. Do you see how it kind of looks bent? Does it look bent to you? Yeah. See that? Whoa. Freaky. Weird. Okay. And then we know that water can change how something looks because we just looked at that. And if you ever look underwater, if you go swimming, you know that things underwater look differently. Or if you look at things through a glass of water, like look at my face right now. That's weird. Looks like my eyes are huge. So water can change how things look. All right. So our question that we're asking today is, can you make a penny disappear? I don't know. I've never been good at the magic trick where you say like, oh, you got a penny behind your ear. But that's not what we're doing. We're doing science, guys. Science. All right. Step 2, our hypothesis, our guess. So we need to make a guess together. What do we think will happen? I think the penny will look like it disappears when put under an empty cup. The penny will look like it disappears when put under a cup filled with water. Or the penny will not look like it disappears when put under an empty cup or under a cup filled with water. I'm going to be optimistic here. You make your guess first, and then I'm going to tell you what my guess is. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 seconds. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My optimistic guess is that the penny will look like it disappears when you put it under a cup filled with water. I really hope that's what happens. That'd be super cool. Okay, let's see. What's our next step? Okay. Step 1, put 2 pennies on a flat surface and put 1 cup on top of each penny. Alright, so you're not going to see my face because I gotta show you my science lab here. Let me make sure you can see it. Okay, I hope you can see that. Alright, so we have 2 pennies on a flat surface. Put 1 cup on top of each penny. Alright, there's one. Oh, can you tell? Yeah, we can still see it. You can still see it, okay? Still see them in the empty cups. Great, got it. Okay, step 2, observe pennies under empty cups, looking at cups from the side. Oh, from the side? Yep, I can still see the pennies. We can still see them. Okay, it says to record our observations. So let's go to the recording sheet real quick. Penny under an empty cup. Yes, we can see it. I see the penny.
I see the penny.
I do too. All right, let's go back. Okay, we've recorded our observations. Now we're going to pour water into 1 cup. Okay, I'm going to pick this cup. Ready, here we go. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you guys can see this. This is crazy. Can you see it? You don't have a really good angle of it, but I can assure you that looking at the cup now from the side, if I look at the cup from the side, it's nuts. It's crazy. Let me see if I can get you to see this. Hold on. Okay, guys, here's a better angle for you. I think you can tell that in this cup, it looks like the penny is gone. It's nuts. Wow. And still in this cup, I can see the penny at the bottom there. I can see it. But if I look in this cup, like if I look in it from the top, oh, okay, there's the penny. But if I look in it from the side, it's gone. It's gone! I hope you're doing this experiment along with me at home because I really want you to see it for yourself. I think everybody has water and cups and pennies, so you should be doing this with me. It's amazing. All right, so I got so excited I forgot what we have to do. We have to record our observations. Okay. Penny under the cup filled with water. Did we see the penny? No!
I do not see the penny.
It's gone. Bye-bye, penny. Okay. It's amazing. All right, so let's find our conclusion. What happened? Did the penny look like it disappeared when put under an empty cup? No, we could still see the penny.
No.
Did the penny look like it disappeared when put under a cup filled with water? Amazingly, yes! I can't believe it myself. It kind of seems like magic, but it's science. It's not magic. Yeah. Was your guess correct? So if you go back to the first page where we made our guess, let's look and see. I guessed the penny will look like it disappears when put under a cup filled with water. So yes, my hypothesis, my guess was correct. If you guessed one of the other two, then no, it was not correct. But that's okay. That's what science is all about. We have a question, we make a guess, and we figure out what actually happens. It's the experimental process method. Was your guess correct? Mine was. Was yours?
Yes.
I really hope it was. That was a really fun experiment. All right, so the reason that this happens is because light moves through different materials in different ways. Remember we learned about light and sound last month? Yeah. So some things are easier for light to move through. Some things are harder for light to move through. When light moves through water, it refracts. That's a big fancy word. That means it changes the way the light moves. This is why a pencil in a cup of water looks like it's bent, which I showed you at the beginning. This is also why the penny looks like it disappears. The penny does not really disappear, and I can actually see it's still. Yep, picked up the cup with the water. Penny was still under there. It just looks like it disappeared. When the light hits the water in the cup, it changes the direction the light is moving. This makes it hard for us to see with our eyes the penny. That's why it looks like it's gone. Pretty cool. Science is neat. All right, so if you wanted to do this activity a little bit more with your family, you could try pouring other things besides water into the cups. You could use juice or soda. Just make sure that the liquid is clear, so don't use like Coke or coffee because you still have to be able to see from the side of the cup. Then you could see if the penny looks any different in different liquids. You could also see what happens if maybe you put a quarter or a nickel or a dime under the cup. Maybe it looks different. All right, you can also hold up a picture that you put behind the cup to see if it looks any different. So maybe you draw a picture and then you hold it up to a cup of water and see how it looks different. Look, even my hand looks different through the water. Looks like my hand is giant. All right. Well, that's been Science with Miss W today. I really hope that we can do this again soon. Science is one of my favorite things, so I get really excited about it. So we'll see you next time, guys, in the lab. Don't forget your safety glasses.